Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how you can control who is able to share your voice messages on the IMO app. This feature helps you manage your privacy and ensures that only the people you trust can forward or share your messages. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. Here, click on the option for Voice Messages. Once you click on Voice Messages, you will see four choices: Everyone, My Contacts, Custom, and Nobody. Next, choose the option that fits your privacy needs. Selecting Everyone allows anyone to share your voice messages. Choosing My Contacts limits sharing to people saved in your contact list. The Custom option lets you select specific people who can share your messages. Finally, selecting Nobody ensures that no one can share your voice messages at all. Finally, after selecting your preferred option, exit the settings and your choices will be automatically saved. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.